Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Today, we're diving into a detailed tutorial on how to change the ring and filter on your Dyson SV30 vacuum cleaner. This process is essential for maintaining the efficiency of your device. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, ensure your vacuum is unplugged. Safety is paramount. Begin by removing the dust canister from the main body of the vacuum. To do this, press the release button located on the top of the canister. Once removed, set it aside. Next, we'll focus on the filter. The filter is located at the top of the canister. Gently twist it counterclockwise to remove it. If you notice any dust or debris, use your soft cloth to clean the area around the filter housing. This will help ensure a snug fit for the new filter. Now let's replace the filter. Take your new filter and align it with the housing. Twist it clockwise until it clicks into place. It's crucial to ensure it's secure to prevent any air leaks during operation. Moving on to the ring, which is located at the base of the vacuum. You'll need your Phillips screwdriver for this part. Locate the screws that hold the ring in place. There are typically 4 screws. Carefully unscrew them and keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the ring off. Inspect the area for any dust buildup. If you find any, now is the perfect time to clean it out. A clean vacuum is a happy vacuum. Now, take your new ring and align it with the base. Press down gently and ensure it fits snugly. Reinsert the screws and tighten them securely, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can damage the plastic. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help. Our team provides a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you know exactly what needs to be done. Once the ring is secured, reattach the dust canister by aligning it with the main body and pressing down until you hear a click. Finally, plug your vacuum back in and give it a test run. Check for any unusual sounds or loss of suction. If everything seems in order, congratulations! You've successfully changed the ring and filter on your Dyson SV30. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you're informed every step of the way. Remember, no calls, no travel, just a simple, hassle-free service at your convenience. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.